Hi guys, how can you open your door if the door is locked? This is a specific lock. The door cannot be opened from inside. You see it? Yeah, everything is unlocked, but it cannot be opened from inside. Okay, everything is unlocked. So, but if I'm get out, I can open it. If I go out, I can open the door. Let me show you. If I get out, that is one side, but the other side is opening. That side is the right side. If I get out, I can open it from outside. You see? If I can open it from outside, but it's not opening from inside. So how happen? Let me show you the trick. You can get this out in a second. It's locked inside. And this what you have to do. I come back in the car. And this is the place where it's locked. It's locked. And you see, you can now open it. And the thing that is happening here, it is a little thing that is blocking the door inside. Okay, so before we do it, I'm gonna go back outside and open it, and you will see. So what you have to do, the door is not opening inside, but it's opening outside. What to do? So you just have to check something. Okay, can you see it? Here it is. Can you see this little thing? Can you see this little black? Can you see this little black thing? It's down. It's supposed to be up, so you just pull it up. It was done like this. So I think maybe when someone get in the car, the person just press this down. You just have to pull it up, and that's all. And let's do it and see. I'm gonna get it now through here. Close it. I'm closing it. Okay, and let's see. Open it. Puff. No, that means it was this one that was pushed down. So if your door is unlocked inside but can be opened from outside, just try to open it and check for this little thing here and switch it, and you will be all right. Okay, thank you. So if you like this video, don't forget to leave your comments and subscribe to the channel. See you later. Bye bye.